Saya peit phi bang shna ik kshatri tip bang rashi praktis ngelak ngelak. Jadi peit dalam tentang ada kaman tapi perlap sa tiba la kum dudukna ter duduk kam shna istri seorang orang yang masih pensenang apa harus bersang entah ngelak dari ngelak masih pensenang aja biru perlemah.
We still talking on my cell phone. I don't wanna sleep right now. Out of Costa in the evening, and somehow now it's the morning. The sunbeam creeps through my window, but I just choose to ignore it. I wanna sneak out just to see her, watch the sun come up just to meet you. We can camp outside on the bleachers. As we talk, we just going deeper and deeper, like Lamborghini Benzes and the road. She don't even care what car I own. She don't even care about the clothes. Local sweater, it's safe far from home. Don't spend all your money to propose. She don't want a diamond or some gold. She just wanna know you love her so. Don't want the gifts, no, she just wanna show. Don't want the gifts, no, she just wanna show. Hold her down and don't you ever fold. Present's nice, but what about the soul? Prove I love you, I'ma give you both. I'm never ever hanging up the phone. It's like 4 a.m., we still talking on my cell phone. I don't